In 2019, I was part of the Sephora Accelerate program, an incubator program that helps female founders launch their beauty brands. We have over 15 products, from our hair wash to our hair mask, and now our mud mask and hair gel. I knew that there was a real need for this and a real audience out there that we could speak to. This is my journey to why I made this. My name is Maeva and I'm the founder of Bread. Growing up, I spent a lot of time at my mum's salon. It was the late 90s and it was one of the only places in the whole of Western Australia where you could actually get braids, or you could get your hair relaxed, or you could get extensions. And eventually I would help her braid hair and do hairstyles. That was a really formative part of my childhood and really understanding Black beauty and hair care. I had no idea what my natural hair texture actually looked like or how to look after it. It was time that I stopped chemically straightening my hair so that I could see what life would be like with my naturally curly hair. The first thing that I wanted to do was actually go out and find products that were designed for my hair type. There was nothing that I felt that I could really connect to. At that point, I knew that it wasn't just me and that there was a real need for this and a real audience out there that we could speak to. I really admire what my mum was able to create with her salon. Had she not done that, I wouldn't be here doing this. So she really is, I would say, the original Bread girl. In 2019, I got accepted into the Sephora Accelerate program, an incubator program that helps female founders launch their beauty brands. For us, it came at the perfect time because we were still developing the brand. We were able to get an introduction to an investor who ended up investing in the brand and really helping us to launch. We took the leap of faith and decided to create Bread. Ultimately, it was that we were creating the staples that you want to have in your hair care lineup. And the first thing I thought of was food, and then bread came to mind straight away. I was like, that's the name. I started thinking about what were those first products that we wanted to develop. And that first step really was wash day, just 3 easy steps. It's going to work across all texture types and all curl types. So we started with our hair wash, our hair mask, and our hair oil, and we've since evolved into other categories. It really has been inspired by my childhood and my upbringing in Australia. Now I'm meeting with our product development team to go over some sketches and look at samples. All of our packaging and brand design was inspired by my friends. It was my peers. I wanted them to be able to see themselves reflected right back at them. One of the products that I'm really excited about is our new hair gel.
What I love about this is that it keeps the formula fresh.
I wanted to make sure that the bottle didn't have any kind of shoulder or kick out. I wanted it to be really sleek. It's giving us the opportunity to extend what people can do with their styling.
The original platform of what you wanted was something that was versatile, that provided hydration, definition, and we were able to really achieve that.
The tamarind and the yuzu in the formula, they're powerful antioxidants that help with hair elasticity and also just give that beautiful gloss.
Yes,
full,
the
healthy
gloss.
We're here in Western Australia at my local beach. This is where I grew up. We included so many amazing Australian ingredients in a lot of our products. The first time I walked into a Sephora and saw my product, I felt like it was a bit of a dream. It doesn't really feel real until you see it yourself. Today, I'm at Sephora head office in San Francisco, and I'm about to meet with my Sephora merchant team to talk about new products. And we spoke to our audience about what they want, and they want more styling. Whether it's curly or coily or wavy, they just want more options for the end result that they're going for because they're always doing something new and different. Our partnership with Sephora has been incredible. We now get to develop that relationship and really get their feedback on how we communicate our brand message online and in the stores as well.
We're definitely really excited to have some newness in styling too. It's a really up and coming category for us. So to have a new clean styling SKU is amazing.
The brand message is that it doesn't have to be perfect. You can have frizzy hair and it's still healthy and it's still cool. Bread is all about giving people what they need for their hair care, no matter how they want to wear their hair.